stroke used to be something we attributed to old age, but currently there are people in their 20s and even 30s who are being diagnosed with stroke. And the reason is very, very troubling. If you are new to this channel, my name is Osukojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Now, let us look at the causes of stroke. The first thing is undiagnosed medical conditions like hypertension or diabetes. There are majority of young people who think that when we talk about hypertension, diabetes, it is being attributed to the old people. But I think just last week there was one young guy who was being diagnosed with diabetes, and we put him on certain diabetic medications. There's also one woman too who is a very young woman who was diagnosed with hypertension, and we had to put her on BP medications. But there are many young people who think that when it comes to hypertension, diabetes, no, they can't. They can't get hypertension, they can't get diabetes. So they don't usually even check their BP or even check their blood sugar. And probably they might be living with this hypertension or diabetes without knowing. And at some point, when it becomes very, very high, that can predispose them to having this form of stroke. And also, the next cause that we need to talk about is alcohol and smoking. Smoking and alcohol indirectly affect blood vessels, hence that can predispose you into having this form of stroke. Then we also have certain lifestyle. There are certain lifestyles that can predispose you into having this form of stroke. The first thing is sedentary lifestyle. If you're one kind of person that you don't usually exercise, you are always sitting there, you can sit at one place for a very long period of time without even walking about. That can lead to stasis. Stasis means that your blood is unable to flow very well, and that can predispose you into this form of stroke. Also, eating these junk food or these ultra processed foods. Now, this kind of food contain a lot of salt, a lot of sugar, and when you take this kind of food for a very long period of time, salt and this form of sugar has the ability to cause an increase in your blood pressure. And once your blood pressure is being increased, that can indirectly lead to you having hypertension, and that can predispose you to even having this form of stroke. Then we also need to talk about these fatty foods, these kind of fried foods and these kind of food that contain a lot of oil in them. Most of them is bad cholesterol. And once there's buildup of a lot of bad cholesterol inside your body, it can lead to blockade of the most of the blood vessels, and that can predispose you to this ischemic type of stroke. Then we also have stress. If you're one kind of person that you are always stressed up, you do certain kind of works that it puts you at a higher risk of having a lot of stress, and you always depressed, always mentally you are unstable. That also has an ability of having a lot of strain on your brain, and it can predispose you into this form of stroke. So basically, this is what I would want to share with you in today's video. So I want you to henceforth know that this form stroke is not for elderly people. Currently, both elderly people and young people are getting stroke. Hence, if there is any of these possible causes that you think that you are doing that is likely to predispose you to any form of stroke, you need to desist from it. And also, we should always encourage the checking of our blood pressure and our sugar, so that we can be able to, if possible, diagnose hypertension or diabetes very, very early, so that the necessary management and interventions will be done very early for you. So if you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.